This is a Hampton Bay Minuet ceiling fan in my kitchen. It's got 3 speeds, and I got this really cool pulsing for it. It's in the shape of a fan. For sure, I got the light. It's pretty bright. So I'm gonna turn it on. I don't know what speed it was set on. Nope, it wasn't set on any speed. So do this. Here's high. Puts up a really nice breeze. Well, it's pulling the air up. Medium. There's low. On the other side, there's bleached oak blades, which I really think we should have done that. But when we got the house, it was white because if we put the oak blades on, it would match the cabinets. These are the original cabinets to the house, which was built in 1986. We also have the original stove and the original refrigerator. I'm going to shut this off now. Like that coast. But the dishwasher is not original. It is a Maytag. These two are GE, along with the microwave over there. But we get that at Walmart. I'll show you guys the top again. It's a really nice fan. It puts up a nice breeze during the summer. Here, I'll show you guys the logo. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.